Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the SIM is active and the phone is unlocked. This avoids permission errors. Once done, power off the device, remove the SIM carefully, and inspect for damage. If you have a second phone or a USB SIM adapter, insert the SIM to test read access. This isolates whether the issue is the card or the original phone. While you do that, export any visible contacts from your device to cloud or a local file, so nothing is lost during recovery. Now focus on retrieval methods. Open contact settings and choose Import from SIM. This is the fastest route. If the phone fails to read the card, run a trusted SIM reader app or connect the SIM via USB adapter to desktop recovery software. These tools can parse raw entries. Make sure to toggle contact filters and account visibility so hidden entries appear, because sometimes contacts are tied to a different account or labeled as hidden. Document which method pulled which entries for consolidation later. Finish by consolidating recovered entries into one account or export them as a vCard. VCF, for easy restores, this prevents duplicates. If the SIM is physically damaged or unreadable after all software attempts, consider professional SIM cloning or ordering a replacement from your carrier. If things go wrong first, clean the gold contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol, reseat the SIM, and test it in another device. This often solves intermittent read errors. Make sure you verify a sample of contacts after completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.